Question number 7, 2022 National Common Entrance Mathematics Exam. Find the square root of 2 whole number 1 over 4. Find the square root of 2 whole number 1 over 4. To find the square root of 2 whole number 1 over 4, this is square root. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to convert it to an improper fraction. Alright, we convert 2 whole number 1 over 4 to an improper fraction. You still remember that? So what we have to do is to multiply the whole number by the denominator. So we do 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, let's do it this way. 2 times 4. 2 times 4. Then, when we're done with that, whatever we get, we do that first. Whatever we get, we add the numerator to it and still put it over the denominator. So we do 4 times 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 plus 1. Okay, and that gives us 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 times 2, 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 over 4. Okay, so from there, we'll find the square root of the numerator and also the square root of the denominator. The square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator. So when we say square root, what are we looking out for? We're looking out for a number that we multiply by itself and it will give us 9. So what's that number we multiply by itself? And the answer will be 9. That is 3. So the square root of 9 is 3, and the number we multiply by itself to get 4 is 2. Right? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. By now, preparing for your entrance exam, I believe you should be able to memorize the square root of numbers. Right? The squares and the square root of numbers between at least from 1 to 30. So you should know 1 square is 1, 2 squares is 4, 3 squares is 9, right? So you get to 30, right? If you can do that, it will be very nice. You won't waste time with all those calculations in your exam. Alright, so at the end we have to convert our answer to a mixed number. Alright, so we check how many 2's are there in 3. How many 2's can you find in 3? So it's only 1 and remainder 1. Alright, we've converted back to mixed fraction since our question was given in mixed fraction, so our answer usually will also be in mixed fraction. So to convert that, you check divide 3 by 2. Your answer will be the whole number, then the remainder will be the numerator. The denominator remains the same. Alright, so the answer is 1 whole number 1 over 2. Thank you. So let's do a quick recap. To find the square root of mixed number, first you convert it to an improper fraction, then you find the square root of the numerator separately, find the square root of the denominator separately, and whatever you get is your answer. Right, thank you.